Hello, in front of me I've got DJI Mavic 2 Pro. In this video we'll check if this drone requires license. DJI Mavic 2 Pro weighs 907 grams, which means in most regions it requires license. Because it weighs over 250 grams, it does not qualify for the toy or sub 250 gram micro drone exemptions. In the US, you must register it and pass the trust test for recreational flying. In the EU, it requires an A1, A3 or A2 remote pilot certificate depending on where you fly. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.